Venmo allows you to deposit and withdraw Ethereum ETH using a unique wallet address generated for your account. To find it, open the Venmo app, tap the Crypto tab at the bottom. Then, select Ethereum from the list of supported cryptocurrencies. Then tap Deposit or Receive and choose View Address or Copy Address. Your ETH address, a 42-character hexadecimal string starting with 0x, will be displayed along with a QR code for easy scanning. Remember, this address is specific to your Venmo account and cannot be changed manually. Deposits are instant once confirmed on the Ethereum network, with gas fees paid by the sender. Always double-check the address to avoid sending funds to the wrong location. As of 2025, Venmo uses custodial wallets managed by PayPal, so your private keys are securely held by them. Venmo exclusively supports ETH deposits and withdrawals on the Ethereum mainnet. It does not currently support Layer 2 solutions like Polygon or Arbitrum within the app. When depositing ETH into Venmo, ensure you're transferring from an external wallet like Coinbase or Trust Wallet using the Ethereum network. Selecting the wrong network, such as Polygon, will result in the loss of your funds. Ethereum operates as a proof-of-stake blockchain. Network fees fluctuate based on congestion. Monitor them via etherscan.io. Venmo estimates fees automatically, while Venmo employs security measures like multi-signature wallets and insurance. Remember that as a custodial service, you don't have access to your private keys, so consider using non-custodial wallets for large ETH holdings. The average ETH deposit time to Venmo is typically 2 to 5 minutes.